Hello dear children. So children, if you are following my videos, then in my last video I told you how to find the HCF by prime factorization method. Okay. Now in this video I am going to tell you to find the LCM by the method of prime factorization. Okay. So we have to find the lowest common multiple. LCM means lowest common multiple of 16, 24 and 40 by prime factorization method. तो how you are going to do? कैसे करना है आपको? जैसे हमने LCM निकाला था 16, 24 और 40 का, but we have taken it separately. 16 के factors अलग, 24 के अलग and 40 के अलग. And then we have taken out the common factors. In LCM what we have to do? We have to write them in this way, okay, and we have to take out the factors, okay, the prime factors. So we will start from the smallest prime number 2 से हम start करेंगे. 2 से जो numbers यहाँ पे available है उसको अगर वो 2 से divisible है तो we are going to divide. 16 भी divide होगा, 8 24 भी and 40 भी, so 8 2s are 16. फिर 24 also it will go by 12. Then 40 will also go by 2. 22s are 40. फिर come to the next. Again ये numbers जो हैं 2 से divisible हैं तो हम 2 लिखेंगे. 4 2s are 8, 6. Hello children, back to the video in a second. I'm here to tell you that I'm providing online classes, and if you are interested to take my online class, you can join my group with the link given in the description box. Now back to the video. 2s are 12, 10 2s are 20. Again ये जो numbers हैं वो 2 से divisible हैं तो हम 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. यहाँ पे 3 और 5 divisible नहीं है 2 से, लेकिन 2 divisible है 2 से, so we will divide it by 2. So we will write 2 as the, so 2 1s are 2, 3 will not go by 2, so हम उसे as it is उतार देंगे यहाँ नीचे. 5 will also not be divisible, so it will come as it is. Okay. अब next prime number क्या है 2 के बाद? 3, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जो 2 से divisible है, तो हम next prime number 3 से 1 will come as it is. 3 1s are 3. 5 is not divisible by 3, so 5 will come as it is. Okay. अब next 3 से कोई नंबर डिविजिबल है तो नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर क्या है 5, तो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक 5 एज. सो 1 एंड 5 1s are 5, तो तब तक ही डिविजिबल करना है जब तक नीचे 1 1. ओके, वी विल नॉट गेट. ओके, नाउ टू फाइंड द LCM व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड द LCM we are going to write the all the factors we are going to multiply. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now you are going to multiply all this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, and 48 5s are how much? 8 5s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 240 is the LCM, okay, of 16, 24 and 40. So dear children, hope you understood the explanation of prime factorization method to find the LCM as well as HCF. If you have got any queries regarding any of the topics, then do write to me in the comment section. And if you're liking the videos, if you are following my videos, then do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button.